Swamiji, a lot of people will wonder, how do we awaken our own Kundalini?
How do we awaken Kundalini? First thing, the right master who already experienced Kundalini awakening within himself and who has helped a lot of people to awaken their Kundalini. Experienced master, that's the first thing. Second, authentic, time-tested, foolproof techniques. All the methodology and techniques I use in our programs are authentic, foolproof, from the original traditions, from the source of knowledge, from the source of the Vedic tradition like Hatha Yoga, Gheranda Samhita, a very important yogic literatures. Lastly, the most important is the individual who want to awaken their Kundalini, their sincerity, I can say their authenticity. So these three can help people awaken their Kundalini. Actually, you don't even need to physically be in the presence of the master. Even wherever you sit, I have seen in my experience, people just sit in two-way video conferencing all over the world and attend the morning satsang. Every day in Indian time I am giving the morning satsang. Even in United Kingdom, in UK also I have 3 centers. From morning 8 to 9 Indian time, people watch live and they experience Kundalini awakening. I have center in East London, I have center in Devon. So just through Nityananda TV, we have an internet TV. You can watch on Nityananda TV, the Indian Standard Time 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Nityananda.tv. So you can awaken your Kundalini just through this proper technique and satsangs. Every day in my morning satsang means sitting with the master. Through these discourses, I am awakening the people's Kundalini all over the world. The program is free. Anyone can watch. It is available free of cost for the whole world. Of course, this is the fast track to awaken your Kundalini. It's a jump start to awaken your Kundalini. Yes, please go ahead with your next question.
Thank you, Swamiji. And our listeners in Denmark were also questioning Kundalini. How can I benefit from Kundalini every day? I feel you may have answered some of it already, but just to, how can I use my Kundalini?
The first thing, Kundalini can, once you awaken your Kundalini, your body will listen to you. Many of the diseases can be avoided before even it starts happening in your body. That's the first thing. Second, if you already have some diseases or disorders, it can be cured just by you commanding yourself. And third, you will be able to create a space to make your relationships fulfilling, your life more intelligent, more enthusiastic, more energetic, more blissful. Above all, it will be enriching everyone around you. I can say the benefits of Kundalini awakening is like a too good to be true. That's the right word I will use. If I utter all the benefits you may have through Kundalini awakening, you will only have one word. Oh, it seems too good to be true. But I tell you, I can say this is the slogan for Kundalini awakening, too good to be true. Kundalini can be described or defined with this one word, too good to be true. You can also write to our London Sangha for more details of our programs. info@nityananda.org@uk. info@nityananda.org.uk or call 0770-1078-763 or visit our website nityananda.org.uk. Please go ahead with the next question.
Thank you, Swamiji. We will take a very short music break here. Time for contemplation, for people to think what we have been speaking about. Then we will be back with talking about your 21-day inner awakening. So stay with us, everybody, here on Celestial Radio. Thank you.
Thank you.
We also have a message coming in from another listener here at this moment. Thank you to Judith. Judith is also asking, Dearest Swamiji, Warrington also is available for two-way satsang. Is that true?
Parveen, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Warrington also we have a satsang center, and you can attend to our satsangs from Warrington also, and we have a Facebook, Life Bliss Foundation, livebliss.uk. We have a Facebook ID, facebook.com and livebliss.uk. So, Warrington also we have a satsang center. Please go ahead with your next questions.
Thank you, Swamiji. Also, we would like to speak about the 21-day awakening. Please can you explain that more? What is it?
Basically, you see, this program gives you the whole essence, whatever you need to know to reach your peak possibility. This exact definition I will give. Whatever you need to know, all that you need to know to achieve your goal and achieve your peak possibility is shared with you experientially in these 21 days. First 4 days, you will be learning about completion with yourself. All of us, especially in the modern day, the humanity suffers so much with the self-doubt. See, the globalization brought one of the biggest curse on humanity, self-doubt. Because everybody is trying to impress upon others, showing themselves as big. When you try to show yourself as big and try to impress upon others, invariably you make him feel he is small, and that puts us deep self-doubt in him. Globalization brought a biggest curse on human consciousness, that is self-doubt. A villager, a remote villager, is no more a peaceful remote villager as he used to be 50 years before. He may be sitting in a village, but he is only dreaming about the cities, or he only is dreaming about the ideas put inside his head because of globalization and the information spreading. So this idea of self-doubt, experience of impossibility that we carry in ourselves, has to be completed first. So the first level of inner awakening, people are helped to complete with themselves, completion with self-doubt. Second, completion with others. You are not just you are not an island. Naturally, there are so many people involved in your life as part of you. You are involved in so many people's life as part of their life. So, when the completion with others happen, only then the ground for creating a new reality is ready. Because you are extended into others and they exist in you as your extension and you exist in them as their extension. So the completion with others forms a beautiful ground, base, where the creation can start happening. In the third level of the inner awakening, the creation of your own reality, you are given the experiential knowledge and energy, methodology to create your own reality, like wealth, health, peace, relationship completions, all this reality which you want to create, creating your own reality, this science is experientially transmitted to you in the inner awakening level 3. In the level 4, you are given the science creation of your reality and reality of others by syncing, synchronizing them harmoniously, creating a synergy. Syncing energetically is what I call synergy. Creating a synergy with others harmoniously is what is all about the inner awakening level 4. So, this whole science is all about creating what you want in your life, whether it is health, wealth, relationships, fulfillment, or the science of enlightenment, ultimate achievement, the peak possibility. As I said, the right introduction for the inner awakening program is too good to be true. Please go ahead with the next question.